Well, I just got some things in the mail and I'm kind of excited about these, and I want to show you what I've received here. See what I can do here. What is it? I've been purchasing a few things from Amazon, and here, ooh, okay, cool, that's what I got. Okay, these are SanDiscs. These are for my video camera. You see that? That's a 64 gigabyte speed up to 80, and that's going to go really super good in my video camera because I am going to start doing things a little bit different. And the little chip that I have, the disc that I have now, is a 32. They got 64. The first one I got years ago was an 8. Then they transitioned up to a 16, then a 32, now a 64. Did you know you can get one 124? You can. They cost twice as much as this, though. And I got 4 of them. Why did I get so many? Now, what's in here? Not quite sure. Hey, when you're using scissors, be careful. I probably should open this a different way, but this is what I have on hand. Okay, what do we have here? I ordered a few things, and I'm not quite sure what's in here. Oh, yes. Yes, indeedy. See these? These are... All right. Oh, okay, okay. That's what that is. These are 3 batteries for my video camera. And they've got... See how thick this battery is? Look at that. When you buy a video camera, usually you get one about 1/3. Maybe it's only that fat. Then you can get a little bit bigger one. I got a huge one like this, and it's going to last way longer than my other battery, okay? And I got 3 of them. I got 3 of those batteries, and that was cheaper than buying just one at a regular store. I couldn't believe it. And I bought it as a kit. I was only looking for 2 batteries, and I'm looking through, and I found something else. This kit came with the charger. This is a rapid travel charger. Rapid charger. And it has a cigarette lighter connection, and then inside, I believe inside, you can also take out another little prong deal and plug that right into the wall. So it's either or. I didn't really think I needed that because I ended up ultimately buying a charger that has 2 stations to it, so I can put 2 of my batteries in at a time, so that if I go out on a job site or something, I'm always going to be ready. I'll have 2 batteries charged and ready. I'll have another battery charged in my video camera, and I'm good to go. I'll have the 64 gigabyte SanDisk, and I'll have an extra one with me in case I need it. If I think all of my batteries are going to be down during the day, I can take one, and as I'm using the other 2, I can take my rapid travel charger and charge it up. And then it came with some sort of starter kit. I'm not quite sure what this was, but see, it all came as a kit. It was like $50, but no joke, I bought a battery like this before, not at Amazon, but somewhere else, and it was $50 just for one battery. Okay. I guess this is a little cleaner thing. Oh, this is a little tripod. Oh, how cute. I can put my video camera on there if I want to do something low, or if I want to put it on a countertop, let's say, and I can just do that. And then here's some cleaner for it. Here's some Q-tips. Here's a little cleaner thing for the front face. So I'll just have to look at that. I don't know what else is in here. These are something else. It says 5-piece. I'm seeing 4 things, plus this is probably 5. Lenses, LCD screens. Oh, these are screens. You can pull this off and you can put the face that you can cut it and put that over the face of your video camera if you want to protect it from, let's say it's raining, or I don't know. I don't know what that's good for, okay? But anyways, all that was like $50, this right here. And then these, obviously these cost more. I think they were $23 each. And when you go to the store, or wherever you go to find a SanDisk, they have so many different types and sizes, and you keep scrolling down, you think, hey, this one's $30. Why is this next one $22? They look about the same. If you got questions, go to your movie store or camera store, find out which one, go to your, if it's a Sony camera or Canon camera, Panasonic, whatever it is, go to the internet, Google it, find out what kind of SanDisk you need for it, okay? All right, that's pretty exciting. Okay, I'm set up. I've got a couple more things I'm waiting for coming through the mail from Amazon, and once I get those, I'll show you what else I bought for my video camera. I wasn't going to show you this, but that's pretty cool. Automatically, this is the rapid travel charger that came with this whole set. Automatically detects battery voltage. Use anywhere in the world, includes Euro adapter even. LED indicator light will stay red while charging and turns to green when fully charged. 1 hour quick charge. I like the fact that it's quick charge. Flip out AC wall charger, see, and DC car charger. So all of that is inside here, okay? Short circuit protection, package content, rapid charger, Euro adapter, car cord, warranty card, 5-year warranty. Nice, liking that. Holy crap, Batman! Look at this. I can't believe it. Remember I told you how big these were? And I thought I had gotten one of these and I had paid $50 for this. Here I've got 3 of these, plus the other things that I was showing you for $50. And this was the actual one that I got for $50. It was $49.95. Granted, that was, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago. So the technology and the cheapness has come into play. 3 of these, plus the other things I showed you for $50, and $50 for just this. And check this out. Look how much bigger the other battery is. It's huge. I thought this, when I got this one, this was as big as they had before that. Then they had one about to there, that thickness. Then they had a smaller one that came with the video camera. So I thought I was doing good with this. I'm sure glad that I just ordered these. These are huge. The only thing with these is I'm going to have to take the battery out every time I get ready to put everything in my camera case. Because what I do is I've got a separate container here, and I usually set my camera in here facing straight up. Well, now I can't do that because it's going to be up too high as it was. Even with having this bigger battery in there, I was barely able to close this and have this up and zip it closed. There's no way. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this on top of the camera. See, I went ahead and I put one of these in the video camera right now. That's why the camera's working. And it seems to be that it came fully charged. And see, now I open this up. Here's your little deal that you're going to plug into the wall. And if you're going on a vacation for Euro, let's say you plug that into there, and now you can do that. And that just swivels back in there as you're carrying it. And then here's your little deal to put in a cigarette lighter in case you're driving around in the car. You can plug that in to the side somewhere. Where, oh, right there. You're just going to plug it in right there, see? Okay. That's how all that, man, I'm glad I went and found all that stuff on Amazon. Yes, indeedy. I was just looking at this. I ended up getting a Sony video camcorder. This was a while ago, okay, and it had this divider here, and I thought I always had to stand things up. But the divider, actually, I can take it out. I could take it out and then set my camera in lengthwise, so I think I can fit it in there. I just had some cords in here. I may ultimately have to get a larger video camera bag. There's even a little spot right there to fit one of the SanDisks. And they also had, as for my SanDiscs, they also had a little container that I could carry all these in. But I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I think these have a little plastic box in them. I'm not quite sure about that, but I'll figure that out later. Okay, and anytime I get anything new for my video camera, don't worry, I'll show you. Hey, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Now, which one of these do I want to read next? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe.